Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to SMC with Arewa. Guys, I hope you're fine. Welcome to SMC with Arewa. If you are new, kindly click on that subscribe button and don't forget on your notification bell so you can always get notified whenever I drop a new video, so you can come and check it out. Also, this is a Yoruba and English channel, so thank you guys for joining me once again today. My name is Arewa once again, and I welcome you to Social Media Court with moi. Thank you guys for joining me once again. Compliment of the season. Merry Christmas, Happy Boxing Day, Happy New Year in advance. Compliment of the season to all the fans, all the fans of SMC with Arewa worldwide. Thank you so much, guys. I mean, you know, I don't pay Ajomala during day learning. Thank you so much for always coming back to this channel. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. You know, for your continuous support. Thank you for all the wonderful things. You know, it's lovely having you people. Very lovely having you people here. Thank you so much for sticking to this channel, beautiful people. I really appreciate every single one of you. Every single one of you. More appreciate from the bottom of my heart. So thank you for always coming back to this channel. Don't forget, for any advert support or donation towards this channel or for any other cause, my contact is going to be down below in the description box, and I'm also going to leave it in the comment section area. And also don't forget to follow our two other channel, History with Arewa and Intimacy with Arewa. Thank you guys for joining me once again today. Let's move on today's episode of SMC. So we got a congratulations to Eretia, one of the Edo State born actress. Shared a baby bump of a picture, a picture today, but she has given birth to a bouncy baby girl by the name of Itoha. They've named the baby. She already given birth before actually uploading the baby bump that we are all seeing. And a very big congratulations to her. And for those of you saying, oh, she's a baby mama, this and that, actually, she's secretly married to a baby daddy, like, you know, like September, secretly married. So, like, it's just off camera. She's actually married. So, it's not a baby mama, you know. She's married since September. And then she's giving birth since last week. You're just seeing it now. She just decided to post it now. So, that's it. So, let's move on. Now, we got another one from our Apostle Are Ono Kakanfo of Yoruba land. But before that one, let us listen to Pastor Tunde Bakare. Tí ó ń já wáyà ní ẹnu.
What can we do to engage all these our jobless? So what can we do to engage all these our jobless, unemployable citizens of our country? I started wearing these outfits since the beginning of this series. Eat your certificate.
Eat your certificate.
You understand?
Shake it, Lara.
Keep on seeking job. No, sorry.
Ó ní orí graduate tó kàwé tán tó wá ń wáṣẹ́ pé orí graduate náà ò pé. That is what he said in that video. I don't want to play it, you know, too much. That is the aspect that I need. That's why I took that. So he said so that any graduate that is looking for a job is a compound, you know, fool. Now, in Koti, me, I just have only one question. Apart from church offerings and tithes, which other job do you have, sir? Exactly. What does, apart from all the, you know, tithe and offerings and the church, what exactly do they do for a living? These old generations that went to school without paying a dime and still got jobs and opportunity waiting for them after graduating, decided to kill everything that they enjoyed back then and call us youth of today lazy. Such hypocrisy.
The former two-term governor of Lagos State, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed.
That is also Tunde Bakare.
I say I have a word for those Yoruba and chorus elements.
You understand English?
Makers who have not achieved as much as Asiwaju Bola Tinubu had achieved, but they are always querying and worrying themselves about his ancestry.
Now, that is also Pastor Tunde Bakare lambasting Yorùbá wípé ẹ̀yin Yorùbá o tí ẹ ń bú Tinubu. A pastor on the pulpit, you know, preaching politics, engaging in politics, putting mouth where it does not concern him at all. Still calling us Yoruba names on top of it. Ẹ ṣé sà. Ìkan tèmi kò fẹ́ sọ ní wípé this Tunde Bakare, the man that built a church auditorium with 18 billion naira. Not only that, he believes in one Nigeria. After all, one of his children is a British citizen. Wow. Can you imagine? This man built a church auditorium with 18 billion naira. This same man came out which day and started saying he is going to be the successor of Buhari, and these people will not go to, and suddenly the people that he was against, saying that they will not enter the new Nigeria, is who is actually advocating for now. Rí wípé gbogbo àwọn people yẹn gbogbo wọn polo wọn sùn wọn kárí sí ibi kan náà. Ṣé tẹ̀lé gbogbo yín ò tí ẹ dùn mí, advocating for Tinubu tó ń ṣe yín ò tí ẹ dùn mí, even though pé ó pè àwa Yorùbá ní orúkọ ó bú wa, but tí àwọn youth tó wá gbẹnu bà yẹn ló wá yà mí lẹ́nu ńbẹ̀ ni wípé apart from church offerings and tithe, what exactly do this man do for a living? What is his qualification? What is his occupation? Because I mean, before the last time I checked, being a pastor is not really an occupation, even though we all know it's a business arrangement. But if a man, like a man that went to school free of charge, didn't pay any money, came back with opportunity waiting them for him, now calling us, you know, calling us that we don't enjoy the same privileges as them, calling us lazy. Abẹ́ẹ̀rí wípé àwọn tí Ọlọ́run fẹ́ lò ní kúnpọ̀ lórí ẹ̀rí pó lágbára gan báyìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú. Bukky Jesse sọ wípé òun fẹ́ pa ìyá Genesis. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ ń bí. Ó ní tí Genesis ò bá kú àti ìyá ẹ̀ kóun jẹ àkàrà wọn, òun ò ní dákẹ́. Olóòlù ló máa pa ìyá Genesis. Sherry, sometimes èèyàn máa ń sọ̀rọ̀, èèyàn kàn máa ń rò pé bóyá èèyàn kàn lè sọ̀rọ̀ dànù. Tí ìyá Genesis tó bá sùn, tí ò bá jí lọ́la, ibi ọ̀nà ti fẹ́ kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ lọ náwó sí. Bukky Jesse, Sherry, sometimes èèyàn máa ń fu ẹnu kọ́. Ẹnu bí ẹnu ṣe lè tútù èèyàn ṣe lẹ́nu ṣe lè bàyàn jẹ́. Ó ní ò ní dẹ̀yìn àfi ìgbà tó bá gbọ́ wípé Genesis ti gbélẹ̀, ó ti filẹ̀ ṣaṣọbora. Ṣé ìwọ ló máa wá ṣe bàbá fún gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ tó ní ó pọ̀ tó bí kalẹ̀ lọ? Ó ní ìwọ ló máa pa Genesis. Gbogbo ilẹ̀ fetí ara yín gbọ́, true confession Bukky Jesse. Ó ní wípé òun Bukky Jesse o, òun lòun máa pa ìyá Genesis. That is what Bukky Jesse said. Ipe ìyá Genesis, òun ti ń ṣètò bí òun ṣe fẹ́ lọ pa ìyá Genesis. Bukky Jesse said it. Ipe òun fẹ́ pa ìyá Genesis. Ó ní òun máa pa ìyá Genesis. Ó ń sọ with affirmation, with confidence. With confidence. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká ju ọ̀rọ̀ inú o. Bukky Jesse ti confess wípé òun fẹ́ pa ìyá Genesis. Ó ti confession ní ẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Ẹ má kó ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn dànù. Ẹ lọ mú sí ọwọ́ òsìn kẹ́ mú dání. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú. So this is Omosunlade, an ex-wife of Babati, a very popular Yoruba actor. Onunuba comedy movie. So she's an ex-wife of him. So she came out and posted some things some few days back. She said, and I read. She said, "Please, it is time we get this settled once and for all. My fiancé did not snatch me from anyone. I am not the type of woman to be snatched. She has been married now to another man. I met my fiancé after you broke up with me. 8 months after. I met my fiancé 8 months after you broke up with me." This is the Babati that he is a Yoruba actor. Comedy buying. "After you broke up with me, stop the habit of slandering people, please. I'm sick and tired of hearing this and that. Please grow up. It is 2 years already. Abba, Shebi, you said you have married. Make I know married too. Babati has been married and I think have a child now though. So, even though you picked your wife on the street that we lived on before you broke up with me, I shall not cause her or have anything against her because she's innocent. She would believe whatever you told her. I did before too, before my eyes open, my eyes clear. Stop putting my husband's career and character at jeopardy. Let people know you called it off with me. You left me in the house for a whole month to be with other girls at hotel for a whole 1 month after emotionally and physically abusing me. Tell people I called severally and you never answered my call. And I used to see what is all your stories on, you know, with those girls on Insta stories, sending messages that send me, and yet I'm still in your house." Then she went further to say, "Tell them you sent me messages to leave your house and then you said you will not return home until I leave. Tell them you medically proven in factor from your low sperm count profile and you refuse to treat it, and disease from cigarette smoking, and this was our major cause of argument, nothing else. Tell them also that you have high blood pressure, that it already killed like 3 of your brothers and even your father, and you obviously," this is the lady once again, "you obviously have water retention." This is Babati with his new wife and a child. This is the lady's husband by the name of AY Covenant. I think he's a musician. I want juju musician. Yeni. This is the lady's new husband. You know, she has remarried. Babati has remarried. So this is a new husband. Then tell them, yet you have yet you abuse, you have water retention in your legs, yet you abuse cigarettes. Tell them how you used to call me barren because before we got to know that you were actually the one with the issue. She now put in bracket, deny the impotency, and that will bring out your infertility test results will fly all over the internet. Well, and then tell them you threatened to snap it with a knife in your hands. You better desist before I say waiting in my mind. I mean it. Leave my husband out of your mouth. Your loss is simply his gain. No be him send you message. Then do not stop talking about my husband. And that is what she came out, you know, to write or to explain to us. This is her new husband, AY Covenant. So sometimes people don't actually know that men actually have infertility problem as well. But most people just focus only on the woman side alone. So a woman came out and this woman came out and uploaded something, and she wrote about Ned. She wrote, and I read, quote unquote, "I did rather be," she's a Zimbabwe woman, Abi. Yeah, Zambia. She's from Zambia. "I did rather be in a polygamous relationship/marriage and know my position and be loved, respected and protected, than being in a relationship with one undeserving person who has zero respect for me and is connecting to every Wi-Fi hotspot, then accuse me of infidelity. It is less headache to not ask a man what he's doing, etc. I'm just too busy working and making money and being treated like a coin. I don't need anything more in life. I mind my business and wait till he's in my custody. That is when a man is all yours, when he's in your hands. Other than that, stop adding wrinkles to your face. It is not worth it. When you are busy doing the right things and progressing in life, you have no time for drama." So this lady came out and, you know, wrote that epistle that I just read in collaboration to Ned Nkonko. Yeah, that is the Ned of the husband of Regina Daniels. You know that Regina Daniels, the husband. So this lady came out and wrote about him and even uploaded pictures of her and Ned, you know, holding hands. So she's indirectly telling us that Ned, she's also one of the wives of Ned. Now for Ned, though, this man just be like extension. Everybody just plugging. Honestly, Ned's confidence should be studying in university. It is so rare. The man get confident too much. Ned is just like a national cake. Everyone will get their own shine. Do not worry, Regina Daniels Kukuma say he's like he's looking at him as a King Solomon, King David. Solomon King. That is what Ned is. Regina said it by herself. What money can do? How does this man just attract so many beautiful ladies to himself? Honestly, they need to study. What does he even do for a living? He calls himself a lawyer, but he never practices law in Nigeria, though. How does this? I mean, I'm just like, honestly, this. Yeah, Regina that came out which other day and started attacking an actress. Well, yeah, Regina, you better get up now. See, this one don't come again. No, Ned job be like palliative. Everybody just reach there, they collect their own. You know they finish. Yo. And if you are still on the queue for Ned, do not lose hope. It will still be your turn. This man is an extension. Everybody will get their own share. That's just it. It's a national cake. You will get your own share when it gets to you. Just wait. Apostle Gani Adams came out to explanation on the apostle title that he just gained. Listen to what he said. Okay. In
1996, we are back. Somebody did this instrument rent. He lay a no face or someone did the instrument rent. Woman do a fire by you didn't know. To buy fire me Quran. Kokoro to buy also Kokoro Quran. To buy the was Kokoro. Kimba pay for to buy the dollar. To buy the Kokoro to buy to buy the evening. Why should you go to you? Last 5 minutes. Zimbabwe lowe afuminyansa accurately. One lama. The Bobeka was telling me that especially among the Wato and B. The man of our Lord about Eshe Basilu Church. Obalala. One lama go doing it. Olala mo ga wa bi àwọn ìwọ nínú ko ga yẹn mo ṣe lale mo pati mo bi ba mi do pe mi pé machine o lo ba father o ni afada mo ma lala to le je ba yi Quran mo ba gbé Quran yẹn 5 minutes tó bá jẹ́ tó ma bi so nǹkan tó wà ní ko ba be o lo 20 minutes o ba o ro aba le o ni ani su only want 2 years. When you confirm it, almost 20 minutes. I don't wait for my good friend. But when you go there, what is it? You say, well, you say, when I find there's one of me, what do I remember? Yeah, man, into my soul. When you got to go there, I'll tell you. Only now, when you are talking to people, buy it.
Emma Binu, a call came in. I'm so sorry.
When you visit when you Muslim in Babali, with a man of church, you would get only compromise in the man who get a very delicious and my expensive. Okay. That was 1996. OPC by you,
nígbà yẹn ṣe mọ́. That is Apostle Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò Gani Adams trying to expatiate further the shock as he shocked us that he collected, added the title of an apostle to his missionary mission in the planet Earth, explaining that previously ṣẹ́rí gbólóhùn kan péré lèmi fẹ́ sọ náà ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, just one péré. Baba Gani o, Apostle Gani, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o, ṣẹ́rí àlùfáà tẹ́ni ó máa ń woṣẹ́ fún yín yẹn, ẹ bá wa get contact. Wọ́n dárúkọ, wọ́n ní Mushin, wọ́n dárúkọ eré àti ọ̀fà yẹn wà, ẹ̀yin ọmọ Mushin olóòṣà, ẹ dìde kẹ́ ẹ bá wa get àlùfáà yẹn, kí wọ́n wá bá wa fi Kùránì yẹn o, kán bá wa fi wo iṣẹ́ nǹkan tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Odùduwà Republic yẹn ló jẹ wá lójú. Ṣé rí gbogbo ràkàtí àti gbogbo yín ń bá kiri pẹ̀lẹ́sìn mẹ́ta tẹ́ ń wá káàkiri wàhálà yẹn nìyẹn. Ṣé rí irú àwọn àlùfáà yẹn, so ẹ̀yin rí àlùfáà tó ń bá tóun àtọlọ́run Johnson jọ ń jí ni wọn wá bá wa wá solution sí ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbésí ayé Nàìjíríà bí Nàìjíríà ṣe rí. Wọn ò béèrè yẹn lọ́wọ́ Kùránì, special Kùránì tí wọ́n ń ṣí pẹ̀lú kọ́kọ́rọ́ tó ṣe tó ń tì í torí kò yé wa. Òun ni ká bá wa gẹ́ẹ̀tì àlùfáà tí wọ́n dárúkọ yẹn ní agbègbè Mushin olóòṣà, kán bá wa gẹ́ẹ̀tì àlùfáà yẹn. Ìyẹn Baba Gani o, Apostle Gani ẹ̀ ńlẹ́ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ẹ kú oyè apostle tẹ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gba oyè akúmọ́rí o, ẹ̀ ńlẹ́ o, very soon náà ẹ̀ tún gboyè inú ẹ̀ gbà tán bá pè wọ́n fún oyè mùmùdíní kan lọ́la náà wọ́n á tún gbà náà mọ́ mọ́ credentials wọn, so that àwọn credentials wọn àwọn á máa fáìlì wọn máa lọ sí òkè ní ẹjọ́ yín kúkú kọ́, ẹjọ́ ìyẹn bàbá Aláàfin tó gbé oyè Kakanfò tó kàyéfì tó jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn tó jẹ́ wípé àwọn ẹ má jẹ́ ń fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀ ni wọ́n ń gbarú oyè bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹjọ́ yín kọ́ o. Kánẹ̀ ti sọ síwájú náà wípé oní mùsùlùmí àti kìrìsìtẹ́nì ní ẹjọ́ ìṣẹ́jọ́ yín tiẹ̀ wá ní gan ni. Àtúbà àwọn afutẹ́máníkà sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ìyẹn nísìnyí, màá tún mú tàwọn ọba mọ́, bọ̀tì ẹ jẹ́ ká sún yẹn sí a máa sọ yẹn tó bá di ọjọ́ ọ̀la. Kọ́kọ́ bá wa gẹ́ẹ̀tì àlùfáà oní kọ́kọ́rọ́ Kùránì kí wọ́n bá wa béèrè nǹkan tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ àbórú ó ní specific question tí Kùránì yẹn tí ó lè dáhùn ni, kán bá wa béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ náà wọn ò ṣàwo orí o, wọ́n lè máa ṣẹ̀sìn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta iná yẹn ò ṣàwo orí. Nígbà tó fẹ́ fi yín jẹ oyè Ààrẹ Kakanfò tí wọ́n fi yín jẹ gbẹ́rẹ́ 200 tí wọ́n sín sí àárín gbogbo orí yín ráǹdì, kí ló fi pa inú ilé ìwé ló gbé yín wọ̀, àbí bàbá Aláàfin skip gbogbo yẹn náà kò sí nǹkan tí ó lè ṣe rẹ̀ torí bàbá Aláàfin gan mùsùlùmí ni wọ́n, aláàjì ni wọ́n ń ṣoníṣẹ̀ṣe. Ẹ continue, ṣé ti gbọ́ gbogbo yín, ẹ continue.